Hi, I'm Bassler, and I've discovered something super powerful to share with you. A chance for people like us, over 50, I'm 63, to take back control of their lives, earn an unlimited income, and enjoy what I call our second wind. It's called an AI employee, and no, it's not a robot or some futuristic gadget. It's a simple tool that any local business owner can use to answer incoming telephone calls, automatically reply to customers, book appointments, and follow up with reminders 24/7, 365. And here's the best part. You can learn how to set it up in minutes and get paid doing it for businesses in your town. Let's hop into my office and I'll show you how. Let's face it, most small businesses are overwhelmed. They miss calls, they have to deal with no-shows, unanswered messages, and lost sales. And let's be honest, most small business owners don't even know how to fix this. They want to, they just don't know how to. They don't have time to figure out the tech or how to run marketing or how the heck to automate their follow-ups and their communications. And that's where you come in. With one simple tool, the AI employee, you can quickly and easily set up a smart system for local businesses, a smart system that handles messages, books appointments, sends email and SMS text reminders, and it keeps their customers happy. It's like giving these small business owners a tireless receptionist that never sleeps, never calls in sick, and can't turn around and sue them. And what's even better, without any payroll. Let me explain in simple terms. It sends a text message if a call is missed. It can chat with customers on the business's website. It books appointments automatically. It sends email and text reminders, and it can answer common questions instantly. It's like having a digital assistant, an assistant that works 24/7, 365 without complaining, without calling in sick or asking for a raise. And here's the kicker. With this killer side hustle, you don't need to know how to code. You don't need any tech skills. You just use a few plug-and-play tools that I'll show you in a minute. Now, here's the real opportunity. You can quickly make money setting this up for business owners. Every contractor, dentist, hair salon, or local shop in your town, they need this. And you could charge $200 to $1,000 to set it up, then $100 to $500 per month to keep it running for them. If you land 5 clients, that's real monthly income. Just 5 clients from home on your schedule. And most importantly, you're helping local businesses stay alive. You're adding real value to their and their families' lives. And no, this isn't some trendy Gen Z hustle. This is an awesome and timely second wind strategy that works. A way for those of us who are over 50 to do meaningful work from home, without a boss, without driving for Uber, without flipping yard sale junk on Facebook. This is actually the smartest side hustle I've ever seen. If you want to try this out, I've got a free trial link for you in the description. And when you use my link, I'll send you a simple startup checklist, pre-built templates already made for you, and a free starter training course that will help you land your first client fast. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step. Click the free trial link below and let's get you started. Oh, and please like and subscribe if you're not ready to retire, but ready to refire your life and build something that truly matters. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.